Bitcoin tumbling today while gold regains some luster as investors weigh which offers greater inflation protection. The cryptocurrency dropping around 5% today, erasing all of its gains for the month. Meanwhile, gold has been climbing to its highest level since June. Joining me now is Peter Boockvar. He's the chief investment officer at the Bleakley Advisory Group and a CNBC contributor. Gold or Bitcoin, Peter? Are you a gold guy?
I am a gold guy. I am a gold bug. But keep in mind that the bull case for gold can be the bull case for Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin and gold bulls are sort of soulmates in that they believe in a stable currency. They believe in a sound money. They tend to be more anti-central bank. So there is a lot of commonality in the beliefs of Bitcoin and gold. That's why I don't believe in this. It has to be one or the other. They can very much complement each other. And with respect to gold, something that's been around for 5,000 years is not going to be just replaced like that by something that's been around for 13 years.
I love it. I just tweeted it out. So there you go. So basically what you're saying is whatever your concern is about what's going on with inflation and the money supply and all the rest of it, if you're of one generation or philosophy, you might choose gold. If you're of a different one, you might choose Bitcoin. But it's all kind of the same concern, and maybe you're reaching for the same kind of protection. So let's turn and talk about what the Fed may or should do here. What do you now think is the timeline for tapering and for rate hikes? Do you think it has to be moved forward?
Well, it should end. The Fed's idea of confronting inflation right now is to increase the size of their balance sheet by another $500 billion, and then after doing that, still have rates at zero. So that's not really what they should be doing, but of course it is what they are doing. I think that that Powell and the Fed have become so afraid of slowing economic growth, slowing the demand side of the economy to recalibrate inflation, and just have their fingers crossed that somehow the supply side is going to solve itself. And I think that's wishful thinking. And there's no free lunch here. That's the point of raising interest rates. It is to moderate growth to get in control of inflation, because you can't have a healthy economy and maximum employment unless you have stable prices. So right now we have very unstable prices, which creates a very fragile economic foundation.